Hello students, so we are continuing the questions from the topic matrices. So before you watch this video, kindly watch matrices, the remaining parts of the matrices first. Okay, the next question says let A be a 3 by 3 matrix such that A plus A transpose is a null matrix. If A into column matrix is this and A square is this, is okay, then determinant of this. Okay, fine. So in this question, I think this will be a very lengthy question. He's telling A be a 3 by 3 matrix such that A plus A transpose is null matrix. So A plus A transpose is null matrix. That means can we say A transpose is minus A? Acha, what does this mean? A is skew symmetric. Wonderful. So if A is a skew symmetric matrix, acha, in a skew symmetric matrix, all the diagonal elements are 0. Right, all the diagonal elements are 0, and here if it is A, here it should be minus A, here if it is B, here it should be minus B, here if it is C, here it should be minus C. I hope you are with me, because A transpose should be equals to minus A. You will be getting this, fine. Now what did he say? A multiplied with this. Okay, so let me multiply A with 1 minus 1 0, so we get 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 multiplied with 1 minus 1 0, and what do we get, dear students? That should be equals to 3 3 2. Okay, so let me multiply on the left hand side. We get 0 into 1 is 0. Acha, the final order should be 3 cross 1, so 0. Then we have minus A plus 0, so here we get minus A, and then again we have minus A. Yeah, again we get minus A here, and then we get minus B plus C, so here we get minus B plus C. I hope you know how to multiply matrices. So that should be equals to 3 3 2. That means A will be equals to 3. No, minus A is 3, right? So A will be equals to minus 3. A will be equals to minus 3, and then minus B plus C will be equals to 2. Okay, so we need one more equation. I think we have to find this also. Okay, we have to find A square. That's how it is very lengthy now. So A square will be A into A, dear students. So it should be 0. Acha, A is anyways minus 3. Let me write minus 3 here. B minus A will be 3. So A square will be A into A. So again we have to multiply this with A. So what do we get here, dear students? 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 9 minus B square. And then we get a 0 0 and minus BC, I think. Yeah, then we get 0 minus 3C here, and here we get 3 into 0 is 0, and here we get minus BC minus 9 minus C square, and here we get 3B. That's it. Here we get minus 3C. Here we do get 3B. Okay, now we have to multiply this with this for this element. So 3B, that's it. Here we get minus B square minus C square. That's it. Okay, this is A square. Now we have to multiply A square with 1 minus 1 0. Why not? So A square multiplied by the 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0 should give us minus 3 19 minus 24. Minus 3 19 and minus 24. So what do we get? A square is minus 9 minus B square minus BC minus 3C minus BC minus 9 minus C square 3B, and minus 3C 3B minus B square minus C square multiplied with 1 minus 1 0. That should be minus 3 19 minus 24. So again I have to multiply. So we get minus 9 minus B square plus BC plus 0 in the first row. Second row we get minus BC plus 9 plus C square plus 0. In third row we get minus 3C minus 3B plus 0. That should be equals to minus 3 19 minus 24. So we can write minus 9 minus B square. So if I equate the elements, we get minus 3 here. So what do we get if I so if I take all the terms to the right hand side, I get B square minus BC plus 6 equals to 0. This is the first thing. If I equate the second element here, so we get minus BC plus 9 plus C square is equals to 19. So we can say C square minus BC will be 10. And if I equate the third row, we get minus 3C minus 3B is equals to minus 24. So if I take minus 3 common, I get B plus C is equals to minus 24. So that means B plus C is 8. Okay, b plus c is 8, and we do have minus b plus c is 2. Minus b plus c is 2. So if I add these two, I get 2c is equals to 10. That means c will be 5. If c is 5, so if c is 5, b plus 5 will be 8. That means b should be 3. So if we are, I mean, you can just verify it yourself, replace b and c values in this. So b square is 3. So b square is 9. 9 minus bc is 15. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. And here also, if you can verify, 25 minus 15 is 10. Perfect. That means ABC values are correct. So that means matrix A is ultimately 0, AB 0, A is minus 3, B is 3. So here we get 3, here we get minus 3. What is the value of C? C is 5. So if it is 5 here, it should be minus 5 here. I think this is matrix A, right? Correct? Yeah. Yes. So now what is he asking? He's asking us to find the value of a determinant of adjoint of, my lord. Okay. So we have to find determinant of adjoint of 2 times adjoint of A plus I. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll just take this part, we'll paste it. We'll copy this. We'll paste it here so that we can avoid scrolling up and down. Yeah, so we want determinant of adjoint of 2 times adjoint A plus I, 2 to that is okay. So fine. So if I take, so if I, okay, let me recall the properties of determinant of adjoint A. There will be determinant of A whole power n minus 1. In this case, n is 3. Order is 3, so it will be determinant of A square, right? So what can we write? Determinant of adjoint of 2 times adjoint of A plus I will be, so this will be determinant of 2 times adjoint of A plus I whole to the power 2. Acha, determinant of k into A is again k raised to the power n into A. So here it will be, n will be 3. So here we will get 2 to the power 3 whole square, because we do have a square here, into determinant of adjoint of A plus I whole square, right? So it will be 2 to the power 6 into determinant of adjoint of something again will be adjoint of determinant of something whole raised to the power 2, again whole raised to the power 2, because we do have a 2 here. I hope you understood this, because determinant of adjoint B will be determinant of B whole power 2, right? Because n is 3 here. So let us say if this is B, so we get this part, right? So we get 2 power 6 into determinant of A plus I whole raised to the power 4. I think we have to find A plus I. So A plus I will be, so what will I be, dear students? If you want, you can write I here. I will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So what will A plus I be? A plus I will be 1 minus 3 3 3, and it will be 1. This will be 5. So here we get minus 3 minus 5 1. Correct? Yeah. So I need to find determinant of A plus I. So A plus I is this. Let me find out a determinant of A plus I. That will be 1 in, expand the determinant along the first row. So we get 1 into 1 plus 25, that is 1 plus 25 is 26. Minus of minus 3 will be plus 3 into 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 15, I think it is plus 18 plus 3 into minus 15 plus 3 is minus 12. So we get 26 plus 54 minus 36. So 26 minus 36 is minus 10. 54 minus 10 is 44. So this value will be 2 to the power 6 into 44 whole power 4, I think. Yeah. So now, okay, so this part is equals to, so this is 2 raised to the power alpha, 3 raised to the power beta, 11 raised to the power gamma. So we can write this as 2 raised to the power 6 into, we can write this as 4 into 11 whole power 4. So we can write this as 4 power 4 into 11 power 4. We can write this as 4, we can write it as 2 square. So we can write this as 2 power 6 into 2 to the power 8 into 11 to the power 4. It should be 2 to the power 14 into, acha, we can write 3 power 0 here, and okay. So this is of the form 2 raised to the power alpha, 3 raised to the power beta, 11 raised to the power gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are non-negative integers. So alpha plus beta plus gamma. So we can say alpha is nothing but 14, beta is nothing but 0, and gamma is nothing but 4. So alpha plus beta plus gamma should be 14 plus 0 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. So 18 should be the answer. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, dear students. Meet you with the next one.